Hi, it's Luan from Tech. After my video about Cura support, I got couple questions about recommended settings and I will answer in this video. First of all, where should we put the support and how we put it? The purpose of support is to make the print printable. The print that requires support is the one that has overhanging areas. Then it leads to another question. How can you find the overhanging area to support? With those experienced users, they already know where these areas are. In case you are beginners, there are slicers to help you. Let's have a look at the two common slicers, Cura and PrusaSlicer. In Cura, these areas are marked with red color when you load the model into it. In case of Prusa, you need to choose none for support and you need to slide the model. And on the result, you can see that the overhanging area is marked with blue color like here. So that is how you identify locations that need supported. Now for the question of how the support should be, the easiest way is letting the slicer do it for you and you get a fully support print. Like for example, in Cura, you can just go with generated support and you slice it. Let's have a look at the review. This is how it is. And for Prusa, you can just go to support everywhere and get the slice. You see, it's covered everywhere. This method is simple, but it will cost you time and material. Not only the time for printing, but also the time for post-processing the piece. And in some cases, you can break the piece doing that. Those are the reasons that custom support is needed. You have basically designed the support yourself using the slicer in case of Prusa or using external plugin in case of Cura. For Cura, I already have one video detail about how to use this plugin. It's called Custom Support Cylinder to design your custom support for this model. The main tip here is to make sure that all of the local lowest point gets supported. So let's remove the supporting here, the auto support here, and have a look at the model. You have to make sure that all of the local minimum of the overhanging area gets supported. For example, at the bottom of the belly of the horse here, you see that the point here is the lowest point, so it needed to be supported. I will talk about it in the other video. I just want to repeat it here. In case of Prusa, first you need to choose support on enforcer only. With this option, it will support only for the pen-on support area. And let's go to this. So when you go to pen-on support area, you will see this one. I will choose this area is similar to the one with Cura. When you slice it, you will get the result here. Remember to check it with the slicer to see. And here you see this at the belly of the horse. The support area is quite big compared to the local point of the belly. So what we can do to save material here is just make this area smaller by going to the pen-on support here. And you see the lower point is the bell, right? So this part and this part doesn't really need support. So what you can do is you can remove that area after the bell here and this here also. So, I make a mistake. So it should go with the here, yeah, like that. And then you can slice again. Now the support area is reasonable for just this point here. Okay, but again, you still see this one is again in the middle. There's no support here, so you will need another point support right here. Yeah, that is more or less the general idea. You see here, I make a point here. It's more or less the general idea to create your own custom support. Those are the key points. Of course, there are something more for you to experience yourself and learn it yourself, but those are the key points. Make sure that the lowest point gets supported, and then the model should be fine. So after finishing with the position and the shape of the support, the next important thing, you need to decide how the support can be printed. For example, in Cura, you can go to the support section. There are a couple of the options for you to choose. For example, the support density. The higher the support density, the stronger the support, but the more material you use. So you need to compromise between those to get the best choice for you. And the next also important option is the support Z distance. This is the distance between the top of the supported here and your print. So if it's too large, it's very easy to remove, but it doesn't support that well. But if it's too small, it can make it attached to the support. It's very hard to remove it. So you need to balance between those. I usually choose it at the layer height. For example, it is the standard quality profile is 0.2 mm. So I can choose here also 0.2. There are others parameter that you can adjust. You just go to this one here, go to the support section and choose which parameter you want to tune or you want to modify in here. And yeah, that's it. But the key point is the support part, the support density and support Z distance I'm talking about here. Similarly with the Prusa, you can go to print setting, and in the support and material section, you can choose the Z distance. Like I said, the other I use one layer. In this case, Prusa only have some suggestion of 0, 0.1, 0.2, but in my case, I realized 0.25 better. And for another option is XY separation between an object and its support is 75% is better for my case. You can play around and decide which one is better for you. So those are the key points that I think is important for design your own custom support. And I hope this video help you with your 3D printing. And if you have any questions or anything that you think I may miss during this video, please let me know in the comment section, and I will try to respond as fast as I can. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to my channel so we can see in the next one. Happy making!